Hi, my name is Dr. Jason Hammond, orthopedic surgeon and your shoulder and knee specialist. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the shoulder brace that I have in my line called AirSupport. This shoulder brace is for most shoulder injuries that you may have, including labrum tears, rotator cuff injuries, or frozen shoulder, or things that cause you to have shoulder pain. So I want to show you how easy it is to put on. So first you just undo the straps. It comes like this. You undo the straps and undo the bottom strap here. This strap goes along the arm. Okay, so you put it on the shoulder like so, and then you grab the strap behind you and then just place it through the loop and you tighten it. Now you can tighten it from the back. You can see there's a way to tighten it. You can tighten it also on the back there, and you can tighten it in the front. Just adjust it before you put it on. And then you can bring this around as well, and that will help tighten it along the arm area. And once you have adjusted it, you can tension it some more. You can bring this area here further down, and that can tighten it and give some good compression as well. Every single one of these braces do come with a hot and cold pack. And so what you can do is put this in the freezer, and it can give it some nice cooling relief, or you can put it in the microwave and that can heat it up. Each of these braces do have a slot in the back, a little pouch in the back, and you can place the hot cold pack in this pouch, and that'll allow you to be able to put it right against your skin without worrying too much. Now you don't want to have the ice against your skin longer than 20 minutes. And after you put it in the pouch, then all you got to do is just place it right against the backside of the brace, and then you can just bring the brace around like so, strap it through, squeeze it down, and do the same thing on the arm. Strap it through, and you just stick it right on there like that. And that gives it some nice compression. You also can cool your shoulder and heat the shoulder as well. So this actually comes with a sling associated with it also. So I'm just going to take the ice pack out here. Now the sling is going to go the same way as the body strap. Okay, it works the same way. But I would go ahead and attach that to the front ring here. So you attach it to the front ring, and then just go ahead and attach it like so. Okay. And now what you do is you bring your arm through. You can go ahead and strap the arm strap on like so. And now you can bring the other strap behind you, and this is your body strap here. So the body strap goes around like so. And now this part, the sling part, actually is under the arm. And so you can place your arm in it like this, and that's an easy sling. If you're already having trouble with the shoulder and you just need a little bit more relief, then this is an easy way to get that relief, be able to walk around and not have to worry too much about your arm hanging down. And so it can give you a lot of relief that way.